Bia Kamal Kanor online TV channel and Mala Kenyam and Walla Shanga Jandangara with one Kapai Diokron Kina Dangra with Jandangara with DH. Lerabana Linka Jangwasame, Lerkaki, Bunka, Dr. Machar, Labon SPLM IO, Mentere Witch, Rumbek, Jan Bukon Lingane, Kamenchor Lat, and Walɛ. Kashanga jandangara yudung wan kapai diokuron kina dangaro jandangara with dich. Bana madan chor lare wika rumbek kabon dian tin winemi bana janyok bana jalinkel. Kan kono nyamre ler kana me mi jiram jidit gor jen wo jender janyok nasan kokien. Noga jen wo jender subscribe kode notification bell jatwain ko mi ler shabrech da shamala shubakeje gwaza danan titin. Awra bana ladene Arrange mishalat and wore which Kasa Sudan, Rumbek, we jane, we dinka. We jane no more, te Dr. Machar take a bonten, bonamo kajang, and bonamo tin the pin Dr. Machar, Kokuma SPLM IO, Chalaro yen ken chaka yen, Chayen Okuma Kirma Yadit, la Adina SPDF. Ban mandan yen Kaban Jangacha Kajan Lerme Bane. Alajin national security tin pinkir ma yadi ta la ne de konte la na yan ka bang telwar ga michikan gor michikan no no yen ken bi ken yen enono wa ken chicken wood jan mishale Isaiah akol matyang chicken yen ka chala do be yan ka je wo jente ka kuma swele mayo kaman kwala yen longa wajen she warga che gor warga mo che gor anu she naga cha nang na re we kan na ser cha condemn naga cha na god nori naga cha na ne to kon la dit man nori kana dong kir ma yadit bombardment cha la de renyal kem ko la dana cha use wajan cha warga mo cha gor anu cha kuma kir ma yadit cha condemn kala de je ga dana kana lat ana mo kan kuma kir ma yadit kana janok anu dong banam be jeliang ping kamanda ka warga dana cha gor Would me jen deputy governor ka Lake State Isaiah Akol Matyang jen deputy ke kwera uda ka Lake State no so gurne governor do dien but jen ran SPLM IO pin Dr. Machar wa war gamo me chagoro anu che kum che kwe dwer wa jen danen yan ke je ko do brana chalat ke je jen chaje yen kel kaneri ko kien no chaja yen ke jingoni lo ma karun michel ga tera kolde no jen state minister dadian mi chanyo yen state minister of animal resources guy magok chaja yen ba no ka ken ke SPLM IO SPLM IO use leak kan ito na wa anyok chakare wi ke leg state ba cha Mandela ma check Maram la kuer ngwane bon winimi chaja yen jen dan inshallah no kene ti tin kone marke Dr. Machar tin kata dan chicken letter chicken gorga je ke chicken kum so dan chicken condemn cha chu guje no chikere chicken lat ko chu kum che je no kware ga dan chiro la re week nasser ko la ko lunga chuk chicken gor no dong de jala no ye kan te ko dero na so chicken wude me chicken chu yen baje kweni je ka tugin li ka do dan cha gor ka je NSS National Security arrested key Machar allies in Rumbek as tensions rise. South Sudan National Security Service arrested the Deputy Governor of Lake State, Isaiah Akol Matyang, and several other officials on Monday in a move targeting allies of first Vice President Riek Machar. Dr. Akol, who chairs Machar opposition party, the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, SPLM IO, in Lake State was detained a day after condemning airstrike by South Sudanese and Uganda troops in Upper Nile State. Those arrested include state lawmaker Ater Akolde, State Minister of Animal Resources Guy Magok, and the SPLM IO Youth League chairperson in Lake State, Mandela Machek, according to multiple sources who spoke anonymously for security reasons. Those officials who are allied to Machar were arrested in Rumbek by the National Security Service and are being held in detention on sources. One source said. An SPLM IO official linked the arrest to a statement a call issue on Sunday, in which he accused the government of violating the 2018 peace deal and denounced Ugandan military involvement. We condemn the continued unilateral removal of SPLM IO official by the SPLM IG government faction. Furthermore, we condemn in the strongest possible term the aerial bombardment of civilians in Nasser, Ulang, Lungishu counties of Upper Nile State and Akoba County of Jonglei State by the Uganda People Defense Forces and SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Forces, employing chemical weapons. These attacks constitute a grave violation of international law and a blatant disregard for human life, his statement said. Daniel Joel Nomngek, a national lawmaker representing Shuabet and a member of the SPLM IO, confirmed the arrests, including that of Lake State Deputy Governor. They were collected and taken to the governor and were told the statement was too heavy for them. Then this morning they were taken away, and up to now it is not clear where they are detained, he said. Nomngek added, I heard some of the detainees are at the National Security Service headquarters in Rumbek. It seems the issue is linked to that press statement. I also heard they are still looking for more SPLM IO members to arrest in Rumbek. Government officials in Lake State were not immediately available for comment. The arrests come amid escalating tension between President Salva Kiir government and Machar SPLM IO. Recent clash between the South Sudan People Defense Forces and army use known as the Y Army in Nasser County have heightened instability. Political and security dispute intensified after Kiir dismissed several SPLM IO officials in February. Violence erupted in mid-February when SSPDF forces clashed with SPLM IO troops in Nasser, prompting further troop deployment. On March 4, the Y Army, believed to have ties to Machar, captured a military base in the area of Nasser. Tension worsened on March 7 when a United Nations helicopter evacuating South Sudan People Defense Force soldiers from Nasser was fired upon killing Army Commander Major General Majudak, a UN crew members, and others. The incident led to a heavy SSPDF deployment near Machar residence in Juba and the detention of several SPLM IO figures, including Deputy Army Chief and Petroleum Minister Port Kang Chol.